Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 10 ways to improve gut bacteria. Did you know bacteria lives in our body? While we have always been trained to not really appreciate bacteria, these organisms are actually good enough for our body, especially for our gut health. If you didn't know, over 400 to 500 varieties of bacteria live in our gut and helps in food metabolism in various ways. Why does our gut need proper microbiome? In order to ensure proper metabolism of the food and to extract the essential components from the same, it is necessary that we have a properly working gut bacteria and gut health for the same. It is very important to keep your gut healthy to avoid any kind of health ailments altogether. Wondering how to improve your gut bacteria health? We do have some amazing tips that we would like to share with you. Eat different kinds of foods. Given the diversity of the microbiota, it is important to ensure that the food that you consume does cater to all the bacteria that reside in your gut. When you consume a diverse range of food, it helps in ensuring a better and diverse gut microbiome. Stop consuming processed food. Given the fact that sugar is what the bad bacteria live off of, that is the last thing you want to feed into your body. Instead of consuming that, just ensure to consume healthier alternatives. Instead of eating processed food, try and make everything from scratch for a better health altogether. Drink more water. Keeping the body hydrated is important to ensure that the gut bacteria are in sync and proper function. If you'd have been worried about any other factor associated with the same, just make sure that you are drinking as much as water as possible for a healthier body. Eat more fibers. Fibrous foods are considered as essential prebiotics, mainly because of the fact that some bacteria like that of lactobacilli as well as bifidobacteria depends on fibrous foods for their nutrition. They help in building the concentration of good gut bacteria and inhibiting the growth of bad bacteria. Eat more fruit and veg. Even a conducted study has found how the consumption of fruits and vegetables is good in the diet for healthy gut bacteria as it reduces the rate of disease-causing bacteria in the gut. It might not be everyone's favorite thing to eat, but it is good for your health. Control the intake of antibiotics. It is necessary to ensure that you abstain yourself from consuming more than necessary. If you find yourself consuming it at an unprecedented rate, without any stop, it is always best to suggest putting a stop to it. They often end up killing the good bacteria if you consume it a lot more than you are supposed to. Get in some exercise. Movement and exercise and being active are actually very crucial and good for your overall health. When you are on a constant move and avoid leading a sedentary lifestyle, it is actually a lot easier for us to get our body in sync, ensuring better functions, the same being effective for our gut health too. Consume more fermented foods and probiotics. Fermented foods and probiotics do have amazing impacts on the overall process of digestion and also on the gut bacteria levels and health in our body. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles and such are very good for one's overall health, especially if they are trying to boost their overall gut health effectively. Avoid artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are not necessarily helping you, but doing quite the opposite of it. While they might be used predominantly as a replacement for the natural sugar, the same is not the best option when it comes to the gut microbiome. Stay away from them and make healthier choices. Lower stress levels. You might not realize this, but your stress levels do have an impact on the overall gut environment. When you are stressed or suffer from chronic stress, chances are that it will end up increasing the secretion of the steroid hormones and adrenaline, which further causes inflammation in the gut as well. Having a bad gut health can impact your body functions. It is very important to ensure that you opt for healthier alternatives and make better choices in terms of food and lifestyle to ensure better gut environment. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.